How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about what exactly happens when an employee is injured in an auto accident here in the state of Michigan and what you need to know as a business owner. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall just help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. When an employee is injured in an auto accident while they are on the job, there are a couple different types of insurance coverages that do come into play. First and foremost is workers' compensation. This coverage is designed to help cover the employee's medical expenses and a portion of their lost wages. And this is regardless of who was at fault in the accident. Workers' comp is crucial because this coverage ensures that the employee gets the care they need without any delay. And a helpful saying that I learned from my original property and casualty insurance course is that workers' comp insurance coverage is king and will always be the first insurance coverage to respond when an employee is injured. Next up is commercial auto insurance. If the accident happened while the employee was driving a company vehicle or even their own personal vehicle for work purposes, your commercial auto insurance policy should step up to help cover any damages related to the accident. This includes things like property damage and liability, but it can also play a role in covering injuries if for some reason the workers' comp coverage doesn't apply. And in some cases, there may be a need for workers' comp insurance and personal injury protection or PIP coverage to coordinate. And this PIP coverage would again come from your commercial auto insurance policy. Michigan's PIP coverage can cover medical expenses from injuries due to an auto accident. So it is important to understand that there might be some overlap between these two coverages. Now, if your employee was using their own personal vehicle for work purposes when they got into the accident, their personal auto insurance policy might also come into play. It's very important to make sure that you have hired and non-owned auto coverage on your commercial auto insurance policy or your general liability insurance policy if you do not have a standalone commercial auto insurance policy. This hired and non-owned auto insurance coverage can help make sure that there are no coverage gaps while your employees are using their own personal vehicles for any work-related tasks. Also, throughout this entire process, I cannot stress enough the importance of documenting the entire process, making sure that you're gathering accident reports, police reports, the medical expenses and medical records, and any other relevant information, as this will only help expedite the claims process and make sure that everything is handled smoothly. And last, it is important to remember that in Michigan, you are required by law to carry workers' comp coverage, and not having this coverage in place can result in some pretty severe fines and penalties. So it is very important that you are in compliance. And again, just like it is a law that you need a personal auto insurance policy for your vehicle, if you have a company-owned vehicle, you need commercial auto insurance as well. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer them as well. So thank you again.